शेनवारा विरोधी पक्ष आमदारांची विधानसभा अधिवेशनाविषयी चर्चा करून बसका जावपाची आशिल्ली, मात विजय सरदेसाय तशेंच हेर फुडारी पावंक नाशिल्ल्यान विरोधी पक्षांच्या आमदारांची बसका 6 जानेवारीक धुकल्ल्या.
We have postponed it to 6. Some of Vijay Sardesai is out of station and stuff last minute. So we were just discussing about certain issues that need to be taken. Elton Bab, there's an accident that took place in Kepe. So definitely before the BAC or during the BAC we will discuss on the environmental damage, unemployment, inflation. These are issues, rising crimes, murders, corruption. These are issues that have to be raised, and the way this government is working, dadagiri, hukumshai, complete paralysis of policy making. आणि जे पडांक आश्वासन दिल्ली ती आश्वासन अजून तशी आहे.
मॅजिस्ट्रियल रिपोर्ट पब्लीक करचो अशी मागणी विरोधी आमदारांची आसा.
मॅजिस्ट्रियल रिपोर्ट अजून पब्लीक केला ना, आनी आमी आयकिल्ले ते भाशेन 2 पान ही दिले फायर डिपार्टमेंटाक, 2 पान रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाक, 2 पान दिला पुलिसेक. सो हो रिपोर्ट पब्लीक जावपाक जाय. देर हॅज टू बी अकाउंटेबिलिटी. दीस इज बेसिकली अ मर्डर. दे आर नॉट डेथ्स. दिस इज अ मर्डर बाय दीस गव्हर्मेंट. They are responsible for this careless attitude.
I have not seen this report in public domain. So if the report has been submitted in sealed cover, then the question is, until it is put in public domain, we cannot comment on it, number one. Number two, I have been told from certain officers that parts of the report have been sent to the concerned department for action. Now remember this, I am repeating. Suppose some lapse in fire department, they have sent that part to fire department. Some lapse in revenue department, they send. You can't send pieces when you need to see the whole body. I can't send you fingers and tell you, look at what is the problem with this structure, with this body. So you have to read the report as a whole.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.